Hey, how's it going? It's Ara here. In this video, what I want to do is I want to give you a review of Profits Passport. And also, what I specifically want to go over in this video is what exactly are you getting when you decide to partner up with me with this system right here. So I have a really cool bonus that I want to give to you when you decide to take action in this video and you decide to get started with this exact system that has been absolutely just blowing up these past few days since it, of course, re-released a few days ago, right? So what I want to do in this video is I want to show you some results in terms of what is possible, in terms of what I've been able to do just the past day, actually, within like a day or two of joining this and, of course, getting started with this exact system. I will show you results from other members, and then, of course, I will show you pretty much how to get started and what you will get from me when you decide to, of course, take action, right? So let's go ahead and let's dive right into things, right? So here you see me on the Profits Passport dashboard right here, and this system, what it does is it allows you to earn multiple streams of income from different affiliate programs, right? And what is unique about this particular system compared to a lot of other done-for-you systems is this one is specifically focused on high ticket commissions, whereas a lot of other ones, they focus on low ticket, monthly recurring, maybe like one or two high income streams. But this particular system is purely focused on helping you earn high ticket commissions from up to 4 income streams right here. And what it primarily focuses on is helping you earn up to $2,000 a day from one particular income stream, which is what is majority of the results that I'll show you in this video, right? So just yesterday, the day prior to me filming this video, I got a $250 commission. It shows $275, but $25 is the admin fee to the company. And so I got a $250 commission that came in just yesterday. And what's great about this is only, I'm only like 2-3 days into this system since I, of course, joined it. And so this right here, so far I'm at like a little over $100 a day, which is really good. Now, this gets even better because not only can you earn $100 a day, $250 or $500. This allows you to earn up to $2,000 per day with just the first income stream alone, and that doesn't even include the other 3 income streams that are inside of here, right? So I want to show you some more results that other members are getting, just to show you exactly what is possible with this exact system, right? So here we see Jeff Ruiz. 2 hours ago, we posted. Just noticed a $250 commission yesterday, so looks like he also got a $250 day just recently, like myself. Here we have another one from Julius, $100 commission, very great. We have Garrett Berry, who recently had a $2,000 day. It says $2,500, but $500 is the admin fee, so he got a $2,000 day with the first income stream alone. Again, this is all just from the first income stream alone. This doesn't include any other commissions that he may have gotten from other income streams. So right off the bat, $2,000 a day is very good. And I want to ask you this question, right? If your income goal is, let's say, $5,000 a month, right? Realistically, how many of these commissions do you need every month in order to hit that specific threshold? Well, if you do the math, it's only 2 to 3 sales that you need in order to hit a full-time income, and right off the bat, then you're pretty much good for the rest of the month, right? So that is what really makes the system very powerful. And like I said, if you're someone who wants to quit your job, you want to have more freedom, you want to spend more time with family, you want to travel more, visit more restaurants, be able to get your business off the ground a lot faster, then it is in your best interest to start with a system like this, right? So here we have another member here, Joshua Elder, got a $500 commission. Very great. Let's see. Not sure how to pronounce the name. $25 commission. Very great. Scott Darvid made over $13K from, this is the 3rd income stream in the system. So that is all of his commissions that he's earned so far with that. So again, that just shows the power of that. Alan here got a $25 commission. We have another $2,000 commission from Joshua Elder. Here's David Deco, the creator of the system. He promotes his own system, and so you see here $900 in just 3 hours. So 3 sales each of $300, and this is from the 2nd income stream in the system. And as you can see, There's the post that I made when I made the 250. As you can see right here, it just goes on and on, right? You see from 2 days ago, 1644 in the last 24 hours, and we're just getting started. Yeah, so this system literally, well, this version of the system started literally just a few days ago. And this is really exciting for you if you're someone who wants to earn a full-time income online. Now, the question is, how exactly do you get started? Well, the way that you do that is you visit the very first link that is down below this video. So that is first link down below this video will take you over to this page. And all you have to do here is you simply just enter your email in the field right here. Click the button that says continue. And then that will take you over here. You'll have a quick welcome video that's about 4 to 5 minutes. Pretty much welcomes you to the system. Has a little letter right here, and then of course you see even more testimonials. And what is really unique about this particular system, again, is the amount of newbies that are making money with the system. Not just 20 bucks, not just 100 bucks, not just 500, but the amount of newbies that are having $2,000 days, 4-figure days, consistently with this system. And the best part of all is this system takes care of all the selling and telling for you, does all the follow-up, gets people back on the system, encourages people to invest in the high amounts, and then of course it helps you earn the high ticket commissions, right? So you see even more results right here. But what you want to do is you want to find the button that says get on the webinar, right? When you click this button, this will take you over to the webinar. You'll just want to wait the time that it has on here. So wait until it's like the next hour or the next 15 minutes. And so once that, of course, is all set, you watch the webinar. This will explain more in detail about how it all works, why it's working for newbies. You just want to make sure that you watch it all the way through. And then once you reach the end of the webinar, you will then be prompted to create a free account with Profits Passport. And once you get inside, it's really all a matter of following the instructions in this short 15-minute video, setting up your income streams, and then once you have everything set up right here, all it really comes down to is promoting this one link that it gives you right here. So this link that you get, that you see under the welcome video, is your specific affiliate link. And when you promote this and people of course decide to opt in, the system will literally take care of all the rest for you, right? So you don't have to worry about explaining to people one-on-one. You don't have to worry about getting on phone calls or convincing people to buy like a high ticket item. This video takes care of all of that for you. And so with all that being said, I have a really cool bonus that I want to give you when you decide to take action and you get started with this exact system down below, right? And so what I've actually put together is a free step-by-step training series right here on my YouTube channel that you can simply follow along with. And this shows you literally step-by-step what I do to market this exact system online. So the benefit with this entire training right here is I literally show you step-by-step exactly what I do to market not only this system, but I've also used this training to market a different system as well. And just to show you what's possible. This training right here is exactly what I've used to earn over $11,000 promoting a program that pays small $20 commissions, right? So check this out right here, right? This is a different program that I promoted. I initially created this training series for another business that I was a part of, similar to Profits Passport, but this one focuses more on residual income, whereas Profits Passport is more for if you want to earn like the 4-figure days online, right? And so I've earned over 11,000 with this one income stream right here. I've also earned it says 2,000 on Easy One Up right here, but I've actually earned I want to say around 10K with this one as well. The reason it doesn't show that is because when it was on the old platform and when they switched over to the new thing, it just kind of reset all the stats back to 0. So that's why it only shows 2,000 right here. But yeah, I was able to do quite well with this other system using exactly what I show in the series right here. And the benefit is, again, you follow along exactly what I do. Even if you're someone who's brand new, even if you're non-technical, even if you're someone that hates selling, as long as you follow my simple step-by-step videos, then you could definitely do very well with this system or anything else that you decide to promote, right? So that is completely free to you when you decide to get started down below. And like I mentioned, really at the end of the day, the most important thing is, of course, taking action, right? You could have the very best system in the world, but without the training on exactly how to use the system, how to leverage it, how to get up and running, then it's kind of like having a vehicle and not knowing how to drive. There's really no point of it, right? So this training right here is designed to help you maximize your results with the system. The system does a phenomenal job at explaining everything. It does a phenomenal job at showing you how to get traffic. But of course, this shows you exactly what I do to, of course, get really great results online. So anyways, go down below and enter your email right here. Watch the webinar. Get on the webinar. Go through, watch the entire thing. Pay very close attention to what David Dickel goes over. And then, of course, you'll want to create your account and then set up your income streams. Specifically, the most important income stream right here is the first one that pays up to $2,000 cash payment. So you want to simply click here, set up your account, and then, of course, get your account qualified for the $2,000 commissions. And then once you've done that, you just enter your username right here. And once you have your account set up, come right into this playlist right here, which is on, you just simply go to my YouTube channel, find this playlist, and then watch this first video right here, day 1. Once you do that, then I'll see you on the inside, and take care and all the best.